Hello guys, welcome to our channel Creative Crafts. Today we are going to do New Year greeting card. So let us start. Take an A4 paper, fold it into half. Now measure the length of the paper. It is 21 centimeters. Leave 3 centimeters to either sides. And make 3 centimeters long line. Make a slight cut on this. Fold this. Now fold it inside. When you open, it looks like this. Now let us make one more step. Previously we have taken 3 centimeters, right? Now let us leave 2 centimeters on either sides. Make a line of 2.5 centimeters. Similarly, cut this. Fold this portion also. Now fold this also inside. From out it looks like this, and when you open it, it appears in this way. Partition to only one side, back side. It is 11 centimeters. Again leave 2 centimeters on either sides. Make a line of 1.5 centimeters. Cut only one portion. I'm leaving these 3 and cutting only one. Fold this inside. So now we are going to get in this format. To make our greeting card something more special, let us cut this. This is 3 centimeters length, so I am taking only 2 centimeters. here also, how much portion these are coming, just leave that. I'm just removing little part of the paper. Cut this extra part. I made the paper small. Now I am taking blue sheet. Fold this paper into half. Now place this inside this so that our greeting card looks colorful. See the exact middle portion of the blue sheet. Apply Fevicol to the white sheet. See the exact middle portion. Paste it on the either sides. Paste it carefully. Take green, red and purple color glitter foam sheets and cut Happy New Year 2021.
Happy New Year 2021.
Let's paste these letters on this greeting card. Arrange letters in this way. Happy New Year 2021. Make a cake of this type. To add little attraction to this, put some colorful stars like decoration on the cake. Now paste this beside happy. put a candle over this. Make some patterns in this way so that greeting card looks little more beautiful.
Attract you. Punch like this.
Make some star punches.
Dahi.
అంత ఇచ్చేసి చూపించాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు.
Start dahi.
So, cut some hearts and arrange in this way.
And starts at the borders.
Now let us move on. An A4 size black sheet, fold it into middle. Then next make an arc on this sheet.
Same. Same.
Cut the black sheet into this shape and make cuttings of Happy New Year 2021 and paste it over this black sheet. Decorate the outer cover in this way or in some other manner which you like. Now place this inside the black sheet. Apply some Fevicol. Pause. This is New Year greeting card 2021. Happy New Year. Wishing you all good things in New Year 2021. Happy New Year to one and all. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Creative Crafts. Thank you. Thank you for watching.